Hey guys, in this video we are going to see basic data types in C and how to use scanf statement using basic data types. So let's go. Here basic data types in C are integer, float, character and string. Integer data type has an percentage D specifier. We will use integer for storing integer values. So integer we will use int as an declaration. So for decimal, percentage f is a specifier and we will use float while declaration. For character, we will use char and percentage c is a specifier. So string, it is str and we will use percentages. Now we will see how to use this. So now for storing any value into the program, we need variable. So we have to declare variable first and then we can use it. So for declaration, we have to give its data type and its variable name. So now we will give its data type. So we will declare first integer variable int a. First we will give a is equal to, this is assignment statement. So we will use printf value of a is, now for integer data type we have a specifier as an percentage d. So percentage d, so comma, then we will give there a. So now semicolon and save this and we will run this. We should get value of a is 10. So value of a is 10. Here percentage d has replaced with value a. Now we will see float. Float is a decimal data type, so we can store 10.00. So now percentage f is a specifier for float data type. So now run program. So 10.000. Okay, take a as a character. A as a character and we have to give character in a single quotes. So we can give a as an b as store, and for character data type we have percentage c as a specifier. Now we will see what will be the output. So value of a is b. Okay, value of a is b. Now here string is used with array characters in C. In C++ we can use string as an header file, then we can use directly string character, but in C we will use character array to represent strings. So now we will see scanf. In scanf syntax is like, we have to declare variable and we have to ask user to enter some value and we have to store that value in declared variable. So now we will see example. So now here, so now integer a, we will declare integer a and we will ask user to enter some value, enter integer value. We will ask user like that. Then we have to use scanf. Scanf is function which can take input from console. So now percentage, so we will use specifier is for integer, we will use percentage d. So we have to give comma and address of symbol and variable name. So address of symbol is for this entered value will store in a box. Let a be the box, then this value will store in address of that box. It will tell this is the address of a. It will search for address of a and it will store that value. Then we have to see values, what value is stored. So printf, so entered value is, so now we will give percentage d comma a. Now run, we will run this loop. So enter integer value. So now if we give 5 then enter value is 5. So now here 5 is stored in integer a. If we give character a, then we can do same for character a also. Just we have to change some values and change some specifier names. enter character value. Now here we have to give percentage C, then we will give address of A. Entered value is we have to give here percentage C. We will just run. Now enter character, so it will take only one character, single character. Enter, he is an character. Now string we can use for this, and we can use float also. We will see for float A, so we will take percentage F for float data type. So now here percentage F, Ctrl S, and we will run this loop. So now we will take 3.14 as in pi value, so 3.14000. Okay, so you got to know scanf functions and basic data types in C. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment on this video. So thank you friends.